Well, another fine example of the bone china cabbage rose designs being made by Paragon during the 1950s and 60s, and this is a lovely fine example. A rib-walled teacup, pedestal footed, slightly flared on the rims as you can see, with an irregular scalloping and gold around the edge. High thumb support handle here with gilt detailing again, and this is picked up on the very flared pedestal foot on the base. There's the Paragon single by appointment marks on the base. So this is post 1950s, 1953 should I say, probably into the 1960s. This one, red cabbage rose on the outer aspect. The teacup wall itself is a slightly turquoisey blue pattern, and then inside pure white bone china. You can see my fingers being reflected in the light coming through this one on the light box. A little bit of ribbing in the wall as you can see, which is very palpable, and the design is absolutely stunning on this. And then it's picked up on, don't know whether you're going to be able to see this in the light. If I put the teacup next to it, it will give you an idea of the colour contrast. This again is a turquoisey blue, powder blue pale saucer. Again, irregular scalloped or indent rimmed. See this large area here, then two little scallops, and then a large area picking it up into fifths. And again, beautifully decorated with this pink, dusky pink cabbage rose full blooms, one large and three smaller blocks. Again, there's a Paragon single appointment marks, and we do have a Paragon hand applied pattern reference here, but it's so badly made and so tiny you can't actually decipher whether those are 3s or 0s or 8s or 5s. It does look like 3053, but that is just a best guess, so we've not actually referenced this as a pattern design. Beautiful piece, a one-off, probably would have been made as a set with maybe different tones, backdrop or ground colours in the saucers as mixed sets. They quite often did that during this period, so you'd have the same rose design but on an orange, a pink, a pale powder yellow sort of background drop to give it some contrast into a sort of harlequin set. Absolutely gorgeous, nice piece in very good condition, one for the collectors looking for an unusual or rare piece of English bone china to have your morning brew out of, and this will be an excellent choice for that. It's available for sale from the Vintage and Antiques website, and we're going to pop a link if we can in the YouTube video taking you directly to the website listing for this teacup and saucer. Thank you for watching.